Good morning, ma'am. In this video, we will learn about figure of speech in English. Firstly, we will understand what figure of speech exactly is. Then, from dozens of figure of speech, we will understand top 5 figure of speech. But we see time limitation, so explain in only 3 figure of speech. So, without further ado, let's get started. Firstly, we see what is figure of speech. A word or phrase used in a non-literal sense so that the speech you are writing becomes more persuasive, vivid and relatable. In English, there are many figures of speech. Out of speech, we are going to learn three commonly figure of speech. First, simile. Second, metaphor. Third, personification. Fourth, hyperbole. Fifth, oxymoron. So first figure of speech, we see what is simile. A simile is an explicit comparison. We say that one thing to another thing. It is done using words like as or so. Things two things must have one thing is common. Let's understand simile with some example. First example, our soldier brave as lion. So it is using the common thing as. Simile of second example, he talks like a donkey. It is using the things of the like. And let's looking in the next type of the figure of speech. Metaphor. What is metaphor? A metaphor is a word or phrase for one thing that used in place of another thing in order to show or suggest that they are similar. First examples, we say that first example, the camel is the sheep of the desert. Second example, life is a game. We see second example here comparison between life and game. Life and game is made by saying that the both are equal without using any comparison word. So these are the examples of metaphor. Let's look into the next type of the figure of speech. Third is the third is the personification. So we see what is the figure personification. In this figure of speech, lifeless object or ideas are treated if they were a living person. I mean, another word say that in this figure of speech, in this figure of speech, human qualities or power given to non-living abstract and object ideas. So it is the meaning. Personification is a figure of speech where human qualities are given to object or ideas. Maybe in these qualities, emotion, desires, and the speech, etc. Let's looking the some sentence examples of metaphor. Let's looking the some examples of personification. So firstly example we see the sun smiled at us. Second is that the stars danced playful in the moonlight in sky. So it is the explain in the give here we are given quality of human which is a smile to an object. We will see first example object sun. So personification is used here. So firstly, we will examples the sun is the smile dad. Here's the explain between these first examples. Here the we are the given the quality of human which is smiled to an object. Thank you so much. Explain with you in the three many types of the figure of speech and what is the figure of speech. Thank you so much. Thanks so much.